So today I'll be showing you how to add film bars or cinematic bars, whatever you call them, to your music. Let's create our film bars. Open Photoshop. I know somebody will say I don't have Photoshop. Well, if you don't have Photoshop, don't worry. I'm going to add a link in the description where you can download the film bars I use on my project. You want to go to File, New, to create a composition. Let's create a 1920 by 1080 composition, and your resolution has to be above 300 or 300. For this case, I'm using 300. Now create a bar on the top and the bottom using the rectangular tool. You can press U on your keyboard to access the tool. When you're done creating the bar, don't forget to save as PNG, and let's dive into Premiere Pro. Now we're in Premiere Pro. Import the file you just saved from Photoshop as PNG and drag it into your timeline. To make your film bar color white from black, go to your effects panel and search for invert and drag it onto your film bar. And that is it. Thanks for watching.